Buick announced on June 19 that the new GL8 Land Business Class will be officially launched on June 26. As a key member of the Buick GL8 family, the new car has been comprehensively upgraded in terms of space, chassis, safety and quietness based on the feedback of more than 2 million users. In terms of appearance, it adopts the design of the Pure Design family, cancels the transition-type headlight group and replaces it with thin headlight groups on both sides. The side profile maintains its classic aerodynamic shape, and is also equipped with physical door handles and hidden roof design. The length, width and height of the new car are 5219/1878/1799 mm, and the wheelbase is 3088 mm. The new car has two optional rims, 225/50 R17 and 225/55 R18, and a 3-row, 7-seat layout. The rear of the car adopts the popular horizontal taillights, which are darkened and look very sporty. In terms of interior layout, the front row is equipped with dual 12-inch display center console screens, and the intelligent vehicle system responds quickly. The car also adopts a theater-style 3-row seat layout, and the second row of seats uses vertical double-hardness foam technology and is equipped with sunscreen shock absorbers. In terms of silent effect, the new car has upgraded the Buick Library Quiet technology, and the silent effect is evaluated with a SON value. In terms of safety, the new car adopts a 10 horizontal and 6 vertical cage-type armored body, insists on the third-row non-buried folding seat, and also creates a mother-child class healthy cabin. In terms of power, it is equipped with the 8th-generation EcoTech 2.0T variable cylinder turbo engine, paired with a 9-speed hydromatic intelligent transmission with a maximum power of 174 kilowatts and a peak torque of 350 Nm. In addition, the rear suspension of the new car has been upgraded from a torsion beam to a 4-link independent suspension, and has been tested in more than 120 road conditions to ensure driving comfort. Along with the launch of the new GL8, the entire 6th-generation GL8 family has also been renewed. Under Buick's oil-electric joint development strategy, the new car will form a dual-fuel vehicle with GL8 Luzon and diversify the market.